Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make these types of AI generated videos. As you can see, this channel is making around $10,000 every single month from his channel, and as you can see the videos here are getting views in millions. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make such a same video for 100% free. We are going to use 100% free AI tools, and you have to watch the full video because the process is in the video. So don't skip the video and watch it full. Let's begin. So the step one is you have to firstly simply come to his channel again, and now here you can see there's a lot of videos. So for example, you have to take a screenshot of one video so that we can understand ChatGPT that how we want the prompt to generate these types of images. So after taking a screenshot from this channel, you have to upload that screenshot on ChatGPT and then give him a prompt that give me a story in about 100 words based on this character image. And then after giving the prompt, you will get a story related to the image that you have uploaded. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given me the story. Now I will give him another prompt that now divide the story into 5 different scenes. So yeah, as you can see, ChatGPT has divided the story into 5 different scenes. So now we will gonna give him the another prompt. So after when your 5 scenes are generated, you have to give him a prompt that give me prompt to create images for all the 5 scenes using Meta AI. So in this video, we are using Meta AI to generate 100% free AI generated images because Meta AI is 100% free now to generate unlimited AI images and to animate too also. So you have to give him the prompt what I had given on the computer screen. Then after ChatGPT will give you the prompt to create the image using Meta AI. So now as you can see, ChatGPT has given us the prompt. Now you have to give him one more prompt. After this, you have to give him a prompt for consistent image. As you know that AI image generators generate images, but they don't have consistency. So you have to give him a prompt that give me consistent prompt for every scene so that all the images look same. When you will type this, ChatGPT will provide you a base prompt with some add-on scenes. So as you can see in the computer screen, that ChatGPT has generated one base prompt, which is the base in all the one, and the scene prompts are different. So we have to just take the base prompt and the add-ons and just paste it over the Meta AI. So let's open the Meta AI first. So yeah, as you can see, I have opened Meta AI, and you have to just log in with any of the Google image or mail, whatever you want. And here you have to click on the plus icon, then image, then you have to click on photo or video, whatever you want to make, and you can here from choose the size as well, whatever the size you want to generate the image. We are making YouTube short, so we are using 9:16, and from here you can choose the beauty, but we are not doing that thing right now. Now you have to just do what is to copy the base front from the chat GPT and the scene one of the add-on and just paste it over here. And after doing this, Meta AI will automatically generate your images. So as you can see, the images are so much consistent, but they are somehow different. So you have to manage it. You have to see the images that they look different in all the scenes or not. So as you can see, I'm clicking on the option of animate. You here get the option of animation also. When you click the option in animate, all the images will automatically animated too. So as you can see, I'm here clicking only on the animation option, which images are consistent to the another image so that our video look consistent. So yeah, you have to just click on the option animate. So now you can see we have generated all the images and animated them too. After doing this, you have to just download these images and open in any video editing app. So yeah, as you can see here, we have put all our videos that we have animated in Meta AI and giving the prompt the steps that I have told you. Now you have to arrange them all over here, and you can use any voiceover app to use the voiceover. If you guys don't know how to do text to speech, so you can use this video editing app which I am using. That name is Climchamp. This is a Microsoft editing app. You can use it too. Let me go back. All right. So as you can see, There is an option you get over here, text to speech. I had using this option. Or if you guys want that how you can use unlimited voiceover or unlimited AI voice in your phone, you can tell me in that also. And for text to speech, I had just pasted the story that ChatGPT has provided it on here, and just click on and choose a voice and choose the English and any voice over male female character that you want. And from here my voice AI voice is generated for the video, and I'm making the video in English. You can make it in on any language, which whatever language you want, in Hindi, English, or whatever. Now you can listen the video. I'm playing it right now. The video looks like this.
On a quiet forest path, a small pup named Rilo hurried along, clutching his best friend, a baby lion named Kiro, close to his chest. Though tiny, Rilo was determined and brave, always watching over the cub he'd rescued during a storm. The two wandered from village to village, helping lost travelers and chasing off sneaky forest critters that caused trouble. Kiro, still learning his roar, relied on Rilo's courage, while Rilo relied on Kiro's unshakable trust. Together, they proved that family wasn't about matching stripes or spots. It was about choosing to protect one another, no matter the journey ahead.
So as you can see that our video has been generated completely through using Meta AI. All the scenes were animated by Meta AI and it is completely for free. So you can make unlimited AI generated videos from this technique, and if you want you can make 9:16 ratio videos, which is the long format video also. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Consider a subscribe and a like on this video.